Hello and welcome to Receptive Group of Companies. Today we are going to discuss about a recent news that is about Germany and the UK that have already reached agreements on migration and defense ahead of the summit today. On migration, Downing Street says Germany will tighten its laws to crack down on smuggling gangs by the end of 2025. The changes will make it illegal in Germany to facilitate illegal migration to the UK. Downing Street said the move, which was agreed under former Chancellor Olaf Scholz's term, will make it easier for German authorities to investigate and take action against warehouses and storage facilities used by smugglers to concern small boats intended for illegal channels crossing to the UK. As for defense, it has been announced that German technology company Stark will open a new factory in Swindon, Wiltshire. It will create more than 100 skilled jobs and be the first site they have outside Germany. Their move is part of a series of commercial investment in the UK worth more than 200 million euros, which are being announced to coincide with the visit. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more such information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.